Hey YouTube, welcome back guys, and happy Tuesday guys. So today I'm going to go over two of the hidden features for this ECOXGEAR, also known as EcoBoulder. The new one is called the EcoBoulder Plus. So this is the first generation one, which is pretty sturdy and rugged. The new one that they have has like two of the cup holder on the top. And today, one of the features that we're going to go over is the EQ. There are 5 of the preset EQ that was never mentioned on any of the YouTube channel. And the other one is TWS mode. That is a true wireless stereo mode that you can select. And there are 3 different modes. So I'm going to give out a shout out to Rob Will for bringing the EQ up. And then he didn't know the true wireless stereo, so that's the other 2 things that I'm gonna go over with today, and nobody ever mentioned that on the YouTube channel, so that's why I like to make the unique features that was never mentioned on the YouTube. Or so first of all, you need to go ahead and then power on your units.
Power on. Ready to connect.
So now we are connected to the Bluetooth now. So let's go ahead and then get it started. Let me go ahead and then play some of the... Okay, in order to change the EQ setting, you must be on the Bluetooth mode, okay? As you can see, it's on the BT right now, so which is we're in the Bluetooth mode, okay? And you want to concentrate on the play and the pause button right here. All right. So you got to be careful what you press, because we're on Bluetooth mode, either pause or play. So if you're going to hit or change the EQ setting on this, there are like 5 different modes, okay, on that button. The default is number 1, and then there is a bass mode, and then the next one will be the treble mode, and then the 4th one will be the rock mode. And then the 5th one will be the jazz mode, okay? You need to press that down and hold it for 2 seconds. It will not display anything at all or change anything at all on the LCD display. So you gotta make sure you will just need to utilize your ear and listen to the, well, with the bass boost, you will know the difference, and on the treble boost. But later on the rock and jazz, it's kind of hard to tell. And then when you change to the default mode, which is number 1, then you just have to go by the ear or just press and hold it down 2 seconds, and you will jump into the next setting. So right now it's still early. I'm not going to disturb any neighborhood right now. So I'll be coming back and do the actual test. Right now it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so I don't want to blast the radio and then the neighbor come and complain. All right. Then the next one I want to go over with is the true wireless stereo. Okay. So in regards to that, you could connect 2 of the units wirelessly connect through Echo Connect, which is this button right here. So you must connect to two of those speakers first before you go ahead and then press this button right here, the forward and skip button right there, okay, in order to change a different mode. Okay, so there are like 3 modes to set your speakers, okay. For example, if you have one speaker that is on master and the second one is on the slave, you could switch by different mode by press and hold this button right here, okay. Original setting is the master is on the left and then the slave is on the right. So you have a stereo speaker, so you know which is left, which is right. And if you press this button and hold it down to switch it to a different mode, then the second mode will be master, become a right hand side, and then the slave will be on the left side of the speaker. And if you press and hold this button down again one more time, then it will become a master stereo and then slave stereo, okay. That is only if you have 2 of this ECOXGEAR EcoBoulder speakers that you connected with this link button, okay. So this is Echo Connect button right here to pair 2 units with the Echo Connect for wireless stereo sound. Echo Connect is 30 feet and transmit Bluetooth audio only. It does not transmit aux in, microphone audio, or AM FM radio between the 2 speakers. All right. So everything that I go over, the equalization and then the TWS, both of them are in Bluetooth mode only, okay. So if you guys have any question, please drop me in the comments on below or what I missed. I'm going to do an in-depth full review about this speaker again because the previous one that I did has a copyright. I was hit with the YouTube copyright sound. So I'll probably make a new one and delete that video. Alright, so please be sure to like this video, give a thumbs up, and then subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. And be sure to hit that bell for notification. So whenever I upload new and latest video, you guys can check them out instantly. And then drop any other comments on below or feedbacks. Be sure to stay tuned toward the end of this video so you would actually listen to the EQ file, the EQ setting mode that I'm going to do. Because right now it's still early in the morning, I'm not going to blast the audio and then make my neighborhood get mad at me. All right. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. All right, like always, peace out. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna give you guys a test, okay? And I'm not gonna turn on the volume too high. So let's go ahead and get it started. So I'm gonna point either this is 1, first mode, second mode, third mode, fourth mode, or the 5th mode, okay? So let's go ahead and get it started. Alright guys, so this is the test that I did more than 2 times. So hopefully you guys like the video and they enjoy it, alright? And learn something new. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.